Hi guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to utilize Pinterest for marketing strategies. First thing first, let's launch the Pinterest app. Then you want to click on the lower corner where you see the magnifying glass. Then you will be on the feed of Pinterest. Now let's say for example you try to sell your products, you just create your page, you see a bunch of competitors, people selling stuff. Let's try to find out and build the perfect marketing strategy that is gonna work. It's not gonna be something doubtful. Okay, go on the search bar and let's say for example you're selling car parts or you're running a dealership, right? Let's say for example, let's type BMW, right? You want to click on BMW. Then how you're gonna find out about products is simply clicking on the left side where you see the settings bar. Now you wanna disregard videos, boards, profiles. You only wanna click on products. Then you wanna click view results. There you have it. Now we're seeing only products that are selling with BMW logo, merchandise, car parts, and you can utilize which ones are selling the most. As you can see, there is a particular rating for the products that are sold through Etsy. As you can see, we have these mugs, right? You might be selling drop shipping or whatever. You might be looking into what people are buying, right? Because if you don't see any feedback, if you don't see any sales, any ratings, these products are not selling, obviously. But you want to scroll down. Let's say you're selling a car parts, right? You see somebody is selling a rear diffuser for M Sport, right? You scroll down, you look how they actually structure their post, product details. You see, this is very detailed descriptions. They have all the keywords over here. They have all the models included. So they are hitting the keyword research not only for the model that they're selling, which is E39, right? But they're going after each and every series over here, which is suitable for M5, as you can see, and all the 5 series almost. You see the diesel and the gas as well. But something very important, as you can see over here, sold and shipped by Etsy. So you want to make sure that you're not trying to reinvent the wheel. You want to make sure that you want to get what is working, make it at least 10 times better. Offer better pricing, better shipping, better execution on the order, smoother or less cost for the consumer. Or at least you should have a much better pictures, much better presentation of the product. Because if you can see over here, there are other smaller things that are actually running quite well. You see this? We're seeing 3,400 reviews and rating on this particular product, which is $49. As you can see, what they're selling a prints on metal. See, displayed in one-of-a-kind metal poster designed to capture unique. So you see, these people are selling still something related to the BMW. They don't sell car parts, they don't sell mugs, right? They're making prints on metal, and people are hyped about it. You see how it looks like? It definitely looks like Printify or some of Teespring, some of these third-party apps. I'm not sure how this actually works, but definitely it looks interesting. And if you see this product is going nuts, over 3,000 sales, well, that's a lot of money. And I'm telling you, this is a lot of money simply because it is very easy to find a product like this here. If you look for particular prints on BMW or whatsoever, this is the place you will find them, right? Let's scroll down and find some other products. You see this product over here, 63 reviews. And this again is something very, very small. No one says that you have to run a dealership or you have to be so much deeply invested. You might actually utilize a third-party apps to do so. If you can see over here, these people are not using Etsy. These people are using their own website. See, sold and shipped by their own website, which is probably give them a better conversion. We all know sometimes having a more customization on your website might turns out as a better conversion rate. People will see some different layout, something that usually you're limited when you're using pre-made sets of websites. But you get what I'm trying to say. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Don't try to, spend days and weeks trying to find out something new and try to get it working right. Just pick the product, pick a service. If you have a product, if you have a service, just go over here, do your research and due diligence, filter everything by products. Don't lose your time to watch videos and pins and stuff that are not related. They're not gonna give you straight up information. You want to come over here, you want to type on the search bar, you want to type the product or niche or genre or industry, and then you want to do your own research and due diligence. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.